Wondering how to use a Derma-Roller. What a Derma-Roller is it has these little pins on it. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. And you roll it over your skin, and it can get rid of wrinkles, scars, stretch marks, so forth. So what you do is this. Whatever serum you use for skincare, you want to put a little bit of that on, and then use the roller in this direction like this, go over your skin. It doesn't hurt bad. It does make small holes in your skin. So go over the serum. You can go along this way on your forehead, like this right here. Once you're done, go over the whole face or this area down here. Then put your serum back on in the area. And what it does is it helps all your whatever facial care products you use to absorb better. And people have gotten really good results out of it. So try it out. I hope this helps you guys out. Please subscribe to my channel, and you'll find a lot of good information that can help you live a happier, healthier, better life.